Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline like this one or this one or this one. To do that, go to your dashboard and install a plugin called Timeline. It is this one here. Install and activate. After installing and activating, come to a page you need to create, to add your timeline and refresh it. After refreshing, type here timeline. You'll find it is here called a story timeline. Paste it there. Then you can start changing, for example, the date, change the introduction, the man, you can even add the video, can even add the images, can even change the colors, change the icons, depending on how you need it to look like. You can even duplicate it or you add a new one, so it will look like that. You can still set it vertical to this, to have it on one side. Then you switch, either you need the text or you need it horizontal. It will be like this, the way you feel you need it to look like. You can also get the pro version of it, so you can have almost everything you need to create your timeline. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel.